mom bought it for us so we could unbox it on camera, so we're gonna do that.
Let's see what it is. Take it out of the package so the rest of us can see.
It's a slime kit.
What? Ooh, let's see. Can you show it to us? The packaging and whatnot?
50 slimes and mix-ins. 50 slimes!
Holy mackerel, let's see. It is a slime kit, baby shark. You can turn it around. Does it have stuff on the back for us to see?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Why kids and adults, blah, blah, blah. Great value. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside.
Can I open it? Since Hannah opened the first part.
She did?
Uh-huh. No.
She didn't really open it, honey. She just lifted the thing up.
It's like, it's like Christmas or your birthday.
And also, I will put the link down at the bottom of the description bar in the video to show you where we got it and where you can get it.
Hey Mom, can I open the next part?
Whatever, honey. Just you guys open it together. It's not a big deal.
Whoa!
So that's what it looks like on the inside.
Wow! Wait.
Okay, so it looks like it comes with
There's a lot of stuff in there.
like a bunch of the beads,
Oh, we get slime.
iridescent stuff, so a bunch of like for sensory.
Wait, what is this?
So this, oh, and then it comes with little shark, what is that, shark fingers or something?
No, I think you're supposed to put.
Oh, you put them in there?
I think you're supposed to put the slime in it, and then you can squeeze it out. Apples.
Okay, so there's no directions.
Glitter, I love this kind.
So this was kind of meant to be like if you're having a birthday party for the birthday kids that are invited to come over and create their own little slime, because there's how many are there? There's
50.
No, but hey, hold on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this covers like 10 kids so they can make their own creation and slime. Okay, so also comes with glitter. Let me show them everything that it comes with here.
I'm opening this one.
And gosh, I want to say this was, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks maybe. So it comes with all of this stuff. Haley, pick a slime.
I'm opening it. Can I decorate it, Mom?
Yeah. But you just choose like one or two. I don't think you need to choose like a billion things. What's it feel like? Can I feel it?
Oh, it feels weird.
Oh, it's kind of.
Oh my God, it's so clear.
Hey, you gotta remember to. Hey, you gotta remember to keep this because you're gonna put your slime back in it. Okay?
Oh my God, I'm gonna die. So killer.
Okay, so we'll put these back inside so you guys are using those ones.
It's sticky.
It's kind of sticky. Well, I think maybe once you start adding stuff to it and molding it. I wonder if this is like glow-in-the-dark stuff.
Maybe.
But I don't know if you're supposed to be touching that with your hands. You know what I mean? Does the box say anything? There's no like instructions, no.
So sticky. Yeah. I'm gonna start decorating, Mom.
Okay, honey. Oh, glow in the dark. So there must that must be like glow in the dark stuff. But maybe it's safe for kids to use. So you guys start decorating.
It's stuck on me.
Well, what are you gonna use? What are you using?
I'm gonna use glitter.
You're gonna use glitter?
Glitter is my favorite part. I make a mess with it.
Okay, well let's try to not do too much of a mess.
I'm gonna start with gold. My favorite.
Okay, you gotta sit so people can see you, Hannah.
Woo!
Are you gonna make it or are you over it?
It's just sticky.
Honey, once you start working with it, it'll get over it. It's like any other slime. Okay, which one are you using? That one? Okay, well, I guess it's stuck to my foot. Oh. Can I see that? Okay, and we'll have to see you guys'. So that's gold. Oh, these are cute.
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 of these to stick in each one, I guess.
Can I use this to mix?
Yeah, honey, I think you can. I don't really know what what the molds are supposed to be for. I don't know if you can mold it, but I guess each kid gets one of these too. Gets a mold. Each kid probably gets a mold. Gets one of these, gets one of those. Is there 10 in there? There can't be 10 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, not every kid gets one of those. Do you want me to mix it up for you, Hannah?
Wow. I'm gonna die. Mom, look at.
Hold on there. Look, it's not sticky anymore. You want to keep mixing it?
Wow.
It's not sticky anymore.
Yes, it is.
No! Oh my god, you gotta... Jeez. You gotta mix it with your hands, boo-boo. Get in there. Don't be scared. Haley, get in there, boo-boo.
It's
What
not
else?
sticky.
What else are you gonna add? You can add some fruit.
I'm gonna add everything.
No, you can't add everything. It's not all gonna fit in there. You gotta pick...
You know what? I'm gonna add this pink.
Can I cut it so you don't tear the whole thing?
It's everywhere.
Yeah, I don't really know what. I'd have to look back on Amazon and see what the point of that is.
Gems too.
Okay.
And this.
That's make it glow in the dark. Ooh, nice color, boo-boo. Ooh, I think that's good.
Oh, it's sucking it. It's sucking the slime.
Oh, it goes inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh, then the shark makes a poop?
Yeah.
Oh, it That's so funny.
I see. I told you.
I didn't know. Use your hands, boo-boo. Get in there. It's not sticky anymore. It's going to mix better. Now that stuff ain't going to fly away. That's so funny that the shark does that. Let's see yours. Let me see, boo-boo. Put it up. I can't see it. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, dude. Can I feel it?
It's glitter and sparkles all over.
Oh, that's so cool.
Isn't it so glittery?
It is very glittery, and it's got that pink stuff in there. It's very cool. Good job. Do you want a shark to poop too?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, excuse you.
Oh, baby shark.
You squeeze it. Oh. That's like, sounds like somebody had some bad tacos.
It's not. It's not stucking.
Look it. Let's see.
Ah, it's stuck in my finger.
Put it in there. No, put the thing in there.
It's not. It's taking a bath.
It's coming in. Oh, there it is. Oh.
Jeez. Oh. Did you have tacos?
You had bad tacos?
Take your turkey around. That's so cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's kind of fun, huh?
No, get it. Mom, can I add the glow in the dark stuff?
Oh, let me get something to put that in. Don't open it yet.
This is amazing, guys. It is truly. Oh, you can add little baby sharks. I'm gonna add baby sharks. And Hannah's taking the duke.
No, Haley, I'm sweet. I mean, no, turkey bird, I'm sweet. Oh. Is it still sticky? That's what that means. Sucker poop it in.
Alright, let's go with a spoon or stack.
It's dookie.
That's nice.
I got the old man. I want the old man.
I got the mommy shark.
Okay, so I'm going to put the glow in the dark in here.
Daddy shark, grandma shark. You both need to poop, okay?
Where did you find that?
Where'd I find what?
That cup.
Oh, this? I found it in my drawer,
Is it?
oh, it's like slime.
Ooh, I want some.
Hold on there, Haley. Hold on, Haley.
No. Slimy.
I thought it was gonna be like messy, and it's just a big thing of slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't even need a spoon. You just take a little bit and put it in there. I don't think you need the whole thing. Well, you gotta share with Sissy. I just put 2 in there, babe.
I'm gonna take.
Okay. You mix it in there with it.
This is to help it.
And then you guys will have to test and see if it actually glows in the dark. I think you got a good amount, boo-boo. You're hog cheesing now.
No. That's a lot more.
Okay, so it's about the same.
French sauce.
Whoa.
It doesn't just come out if you pull on it?
You can use the scoop too.
Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. You guys are figuring it out.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Mix it in good, boo.
Okay.
Unless that one, no, I guess it wouldn't be.
Oh.
Get it in there. You got it on your fingers.
It's sticking to me.
Just keep mixing. So is this easy to use?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it fun to use?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I just want to pan on the cat real quick because she's being bougie. Hey, bougie kitty. Says 3B. Okay, back to you.
What?
I want to make one. Can I make one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Mommy's going to pick the pink one, of course.
Of course, because it's your favorite.
Yeah.
No, get out.
Let's see.
Mine's turning yellow pinkish. Oh, it's turning like very like.
Get out.
Look at Mom. Whoa.
Oh, I bet you that's going to glow so good. You got to... Excuse me. You should leave it in there and put it out in the sun somewhere so it can charge and be really, really bright tonight.
Let's see.
What do I want? What do I want?
There's little fruits.
I think
Hey,
I
Mom.
want these crystals.
Oh,
Take
those
these.
are super cool. I've seen people use them. Like,
What do they do?
yeah, they're super cool.
They just like a good texture. I got
yeah, like a really cool texture.
I got like a cat hair or something.
Oh, he's taking a bath. Look at him.
Oh,
He's taking
they
a
need
bath.
Kreations.
Put some of that on you. Come on. Come on, let me get it on you. Now you're stuck to it. You're stuck.
Speaking of stuck, oh, you put more stuff in there, boo-boo?
Mhm.
Here it
Oh.
comes.
Why can't
Excuse
I?
you, you're not supposed to poop in a bath. Oh,
Oh,
dang.
this isn't really like
You
slimy.
had too much tacos tonight, sir.
Oh, my beads are falling out.
Oh, dang.
I
Oh,
have
excuse me.
these.
Get out.
You have beads too?
Mhm.
Oh, look, another one fell out. Are they just flying out or what?
They're like, no, I don't want to be with in this slime.
That's too bad. I want mine to sparkle. I'm gonna put some sparkly sparkles.
Get out. Get out.
Mom, look at how clear mine is. It's
That's
turning-
gonna glow so good, I bet. Hannah, you gonna add some glows to your stuff?
I'd rather play with it.
Well, okay.
Ugh.
It's so, like, gooey. Whoa there.
Oh, look at my beads didn't even stay in there. That's
Um,
kind of a pain in the butt.
Oh, this feels so weird.
I'm gonna use this and see.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, it's all jelly.
Yeah.
Jelly, jelly.
I'm gonna keep the rest of
Uh-oh, I'm making a mess. My bad, my bad.
oh
you're
my
so
god, it's
weird.
so color. I
Okay,
think
so
I'm
I don't
gonna
really
put
understand the point of these little things that they came with.
But people use them in, like,
So they-
their slime videos to just...
Oh my god, the glitter's
Not the
sticking to
mold,
me.
not the mold, but they use those beads.
They're sticky.
Beads?
No, this is like, I don't understand. Maybe this is like if you get a sand thing, I guess.
Why
I
is
don't
glitter
know.
all over my hands?
I don't know, but your things are flying out too. Well, that's pretty cool. I should have put blue ones in here. They would have stood out better. I want pink
You know what,
sharp
I'm
to
gonna
make
add
it
some
pretty.
apples. And lemons and limes and grapes and a pink lemon.
Oh, you're This is so weird. No, no, no. Get that in there.
Oh.
How much can I
Mine's
freaking
not
add?
sucking very good.
You're supposed to leave it in the slime.
Oh, not bad.
Like this. So you squeeze
Oh,
it.
you squeeze it and you stick it in there, and then
Yeah.
you just leave it to do its thing?
Yeah.
Well, it's
Hey
a good
Mom,
thing we
I'm
have you,
adding
'cause I would have no idea.
vegetables.
You have vegetables in there? Oh my gosh, Haley, you got like the whole kitchen sink in there.
Or you can use
I
those
found
as mini foods.
Hey Mom, I found a little.
What's a watermelon?
A watermelon.
And
Whoa.
there's a pink apple.
My shark isn't sucking.
You want to borrow mine?
Well, I think my shark needs to be sucked. Maybe I just shoved it in there too far. Or maybe I just squeezed too hard. Come on, shark. I see it moving.
Oh, I see the
Are you
food.
sucking? I don't think you are.
Get out.
Alright, she's
Get out.
full. Oh, she did not suck very good.
She don't have
Oh,
that.
maybe because I got beads and stuff in there.
Oh yeah, that's probably why.
I just added like 1,
Great.
2,
So
3,
now I
4,
got
5, 6, 7, 8
Slime in
gems.
there. Let me see your scraper.
I added 8 gems.
You're adding a lot, boo.
I know. Because I like glittery
You
stuff.
just flung it at my son. Well,
Oh no, a gem fell out. You can escape from me.
alright, well, I think we're going to conclude this. This seems like a pretty good success.
This
Yeah,
is mine.
you guys like it? Yeah, we should make sure and try to take a picture of it tonight.
Yeah.
Or video it tonight. You got to put it somewhere where people can,
See?
yeah, you have to put it somewhere so it charges.
Like in the sun.
Hey, no more glitter, no more stuff in there, dude. You're not gonna hide. You can't even close it. You could get
I can.
no, you could get a different color and do a different one.
Okay.
But you should put a top on that one so it doesn't dry out, since it's got the glow in it, and then I'll go put it in the sun so it charges.
Oh yay, it fits.
Yeah, well, I'm surprised.
You should be.
Alright, I think this is it. So you guys can keep creating, and what do you guys say at the end of your videos?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell button, and
Like.
And share
and
And
share.
and all that good stuff. And thanks for watching.